Well, let's just take stock of the markets and how things have been for the equity markets over the last 1 week. You had the index gaining close to 3.4% overall in the week gone by, and that in comparison to the rest of our peers across Asia has been far better. Taiwan, for instance, gained about 3%, Japan about 1%. In the last 3 months, which sectors have stood out? Well, it's been metals, which have gained about 43%. That's been your clear star. You've also had the power sector, which has gained in double digits, close to 16%. Healthcare has done well, 14%, and the IT sector as well has gained about 5% so far in the last 3 months. The kind of FII inflows, well, that's been fairly muted. You've seen the liquidity situation temper off quite considerably. In the month of May, we've seen so far outflows of about $858 million so far. Month of April as well, there were outflows to the tune of about $1.2 billion. In March, you did see inflows of about $1.4 billion. Feb, it was very robust at about $3.4 billion coming in. We spoke with Aditya Narain of Edelweiss in order to understand his outlook on the markets, where he's seeing potential, which sectors he's finding opportunity in, and where he believes that the overall liquidity situation as well as investors should be placing their bets. So he started off by talking about how overall we've seen across sectors the demand outlook faltering over the last 1 month or so. And he believes that, when it comes to the overall theme of demand recovery, one needs to be fairly cautious going forward. He was also of the view that as of now, what we're seeing across the globe, that underlying theme is here to stay. Cyclicals, he believes, are poised for a very rapid recovery when it comes to individual sectors. So that is definitely one pocket that can be closely looked at. As of now, he believes that there is very little that can be purely called a value play. He doesn't see any sense in splitting stocks into growth as well as value as of now, largely due to the less opportunity. Going forward in terms of sectors where he is seeing a strong opportunity going forward is the sector that a lot of analysts have been betting on as a stronghold, and that is the financial sector. He believes that financials are definitely in a sweet spot, and particularly financials or companies that within the financial space that have a strong balance sheet, they are poised to grow. As of now, he believes that one needs to play absolutely from the top in terms of financials. And when it comes to the commodity space, he believes that the kind of rally that we're seeing definitely needs to be monitored, but the regulatory changes are going to have an impact on metals. Metals, he believes, is in a territory where the pricing environment will be high, and he believes that it's best to remain neutral on that space as of now.